Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and if this is your first time of coming, you are highly welcome. To my subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. So today's video is about a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and then the other day when I was just trying to respond to some of the questions that I got on YouTube, I saw that somebody also asked this question, so I decided to address it and also to just provide as much input as I can in regards to this product. I made a review about this lotion, the almond white lotion, and that lotion was one of it's up to today is one of my best selling lotion. And because people with caramel skin and dark skin, even men, and they're using it and they're seeing amazing results. If you just want to maintain your skin, have a glowing beautiful skin that is one color, no hyperpigmentation, no discoloration, no uneven skin tone, then this is one of the lotions that you can consider because it gives amazingly beautiful results. So the question was like, oh, if I'm using this lotion, what soap or face cream can I use that will suit this lotion very well and that will still give the same even complexion all over? So in terms of bar soap, there's some bar soap that I really like, and just because of the moisturizing effect, because I really like things that moisturize my skin. I don't like anything that will strip off the moisture from my skin. So I love this kind of bar soap because I believe that they do add more moisture to your skin. And the first one is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with vitamin E, and it's a bar soap. I'm going to insert the picture. This is a very skin loving bar soap that really cares for your skin. It's highly moisturizing. It lathers really well, and it has that cocoa butter scent to it. You can use this soap on your face and on your body, and it is formulated with cocoa butter, and it's, like I said, it lathers really well, leaving your skin very moisturizing. It doesn't make your skin feel dry or tight. I have personally used this soap before, so I know that it doesn't leave your skin feeling tight or dry, but it leaves it feeling hydrating. It's like a creamy soap, but in a bar, that just gives you this smooth, clear and radiant complexion, and it also will help you to glow your skin. The other soap that I'm going to also suggest would be Dove, the Dove beauty bar soap. But I like this particular one, this pink one. Don't ask me why, I don't know. The white one and the pink one, they does almost the same thing, but I just know maybe because it's pink and because it smells white really nice. Even the white one also smells really nice. But I love the fact that um the cleansing agent in this thing is really moisturizing as well. It doesn't strip out your skin natural oils. It just gives you a smooth, clearer skin without stripping out moisture. It leaves your skin fully hydrated without drying and flaky. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, you can even use it on children. It's really mild and it gives amazing results. So those are the two bar soap that I can suggest that will go well with this particular lotion. And if you're looking into shower gel, if you're a shower gel person, you can definitely use the Dove shower gel as well. Any of them, they're also very good, very highly moisturizing and very hydrating to the skin. It doesn't strip out your oil or at all. They're just very good for the skin. But if you're looking for something that might also add a little bit of brightening to it, then you can try the Pure Egyptian, the gold one. I'm gonna insert the picture. You can definitely give that a trial and use, and I'll put a couple of Pure Egyptian shower gel on this screen, so you can try any of them as well if you are into shower gel. But all of them are not going to lighten you or whiten you, but it will just give you a very beautiful glowing skin, maintaining your skin color, giving you an even skin tone without damaging your skin in any way. So those are the oil, I mean the shower gel and the soap. Now, so if you are looking into oil that you can use with this lotion, you can definitely go for the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with vitamin E oil. This is a moisturizing oil that softens the skin and is full with a lot of blended oil that contains a lot of good nutrients for the skin. And it's a very lightweight oil. I really like lightweight oils because it doesn't feel like it's clogging your pores or anything like that. This is an amazing oil that I personally really like, and you can either add it to your lotion or you can just use it on its own and just use it to lock in moisture. So after applying your lotion on your body, you can now apply the oil on top of it, which means it will lock it in and give you that 24 hours hydration easy. So I really like that one. And if that one is not available for you, you can definitely try the Dr. Teal's oils. Dr. Teal has different oils as well. I've tried the lavender, which I really like. I know they have coconut oil, they have shea butter, they have different kind of oil. Whichever of them you can lay your hands on will be suitable to go with this lotion, because these oils are easily penetrated into the skin and they help to lock in moisture. The other oil that I can suggest, but it's not one of my favorite oil just because it's a little bit too thick for me, is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. It's an amazing body oil, don't get me wrong. I like it, but for me, I don't really like my oils to have that kind of viscosity, not like a serum kind of viscosity. That's just not for me. But if you want to use this oil, you can actually mix it into your lotion, or you will get amazing results if you mix it into your lotion instead of applying it just directly on your skin. But if you are okay with the viscosity of the oil, you can definitely apply it straight on your skin. But just personally, it's just a little bit too thick for me. But it's an amazing oil that you can partner with this lotion and get a more glowy, beautiful effect. Now when it comes to face cream, it all depends on, if you are not trying to treat anything, then one of my best face cream when it comes to caramel skin will be the Supreme Glow face cream. That face cream just says it all. It glows the face. It doesn't really do much of fading dark spots, no, but when it comes to just glowing your face, maintaining your face, giving you that soft supple face, then definitely the Supreme Glow face cream is going to be one of my top face cream to suggest. And another one that I really like that is good for caramel skin is the Vital Glow Vitamin C Plus Moisturizer face cream. I've done a review on that face cream as well. I don't know which video will go up first, whether this one or that one, but that's another brilliant face cream that would definitely recommend for anyone who has a caramel skin, who just wants to maintain their skin, who just wants to glow their skin. That is a very good face cream that I would suggest. The other face cream that I can also suggest would be the I think it's the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C face cream. I'm gonna insert the picture as well. That is also a very good face cream for caramel skin. In fact, the entire range, I'm going to do a review on the entire range of the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C lotion and all that. But the face cream is very good. It glows the skin. I've personally used that face cream before and I really like it. It's highly moisturizing. It leaves your skin feeling so soft and so supple, and that's what you want as a caramel skin or dark skin person. A man can use all these products that I've shared with you today, because it will just give them this clear, even skin tone that is beautiful to look at, beautiful to touch. So if you now want to get that even more beautiful skin, I would suggest you get yourself a very good scrub. Now believe me, there's no whitening scrub unless you have added anything to it. If you get any of this Thailand scrub, they're not going to whiten you, they're just going to help to deeply exfoliate your skin, so your skincare product can actually work more and more, have more effect on you. So get any nice scrub. I have a lot of videos on scrub on this channel, so I'm not even going to be mentioning it. Just get any of the scrubs that I've reviewed on this channel and use it with this set that I just put together, and you will get good results with your Almond white lotion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and also like this video, share this video with your families and friends. I will really beg you to like this video. If you like it, that means YouTube is going to share this video more with other people, and other people that needs this kind of information will benefit from it, and you will be a blessing to me as well. Till next time guys, stay blessed. Bye.